always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually gonna go over this unboxing I have for you guys. This is a Supreme Week 2 unboxing. There is a little story in here that I am gonna talk about in a little bit, but we do have a pretty good amount of pieces to show you guys. If you're doing up enjoying this video, man, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Also, click the post notification bells so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Okay, so before we get started, I do want to say that this video is sponsored by Luisa. They are actually sending me some sick ass jewelry that I do want to go ahead and show you guys. This is for if you guys are trying to go ahead and surprise your mom for Mother's Day or something like that. You can go ahead and check them out. I'm gonna show you guys the pieces that they sent me. These are actually affordable. They do have higher priced items as well. Thank you, Luisa, right there. Packaging is crazy. It's like this silk canvas material. First, I'm gonna open this top package. Once again, has their branding at the bottom. It's like more of a frail type of jewelry, which I actually am a fan of. One thing that I do like is that they are adjustable. You could literally put it on any size that you want, so it's a one size fits all. It's frail and dainty, and I feel like that's kind of where jewelry is nowadays. I'm honestly the type of person that likes wearing more dainty kind of necklaces. I do have a 10% off code, which I am gonna put right here for you guys. Their jewelry does vary from like $39 to upwards of $100. Second up, we have this bracelet. This is definitely my favorite one. It has a cross which hangs off it. When you close it, basically the cross just hangs to the side like that. You do have the Luisa branding right there, and it does have some information on the back. I definitely am a fan of this piece. I do have a watch that I recently got, which I feel like would look perfect with this. Ever since I was in high school, I loved wearing dainty chains or dainty bracelets. That's just like my cup of tea personally. Right here we have the last piece. I don't know what this kind of link is called, but we also do have the necklace to match. This one is a little bit thicker. This necklace probably has to be my favorite. This is something that you could just wear on a day-to-day basis. Definitely do feel like the quality is there 100%. I would definitely go ahead and check them out. If you guys are interested, I'm gonna leave them linked at the top of the description alongside my promo code AstroNori10. You can go ahead and get this as a nice gift for your girl or your mom. It's gonna be Mother's Day real soon. You never know. Or even for yourself, dude. Like this bracelet right here is fire. You guys should go ahead and check them out. Like I said, everything will be down below. So I think I'm gonna ease into the heat. I'm not gonna go straight for it because this could get real spicy. You gotta build up sometimes. So we're gonna start with this light H&M package. I did get this a little while ago, to be honest, but I never showed it off. It was in the Supreme off season. Don't get it twisted. It's H&M, but it's still a banger piece. We do have this Scarface H&M collaboration. This was in stores for a little while. I don't know if they still have it, but the Scarface pieces be looking so fire. It's like in this light pink colorway. I don't know if it's gonna do it any justice, but you guys probably will see this on a fit, maybe with the Travis Scott Jordan 1s. Scarface right there on the front, and then the back is my favorite part. It does have another bit of Tony Montana on the back of it right there. It does have a big print on the back, and then the front is subtle. It just has like words on it. That's something that I definitely am fond of. Just the light branding on the front with the Scarface logo, and then on the back you got that Tony Montana wearing the suit, which is pretty clean. Once again, fire piece. First pickup was from H&M. I believe I got this for like $35. It was supposed to be 40 plus tax because it was in the city. You feel me? You gotta finesse. I did create an account or something like that and got some coupons on this piece right here, but definitely a clean first pickup. Next, we got this item right here, which is a sneaker. Pop this open, and in here you do have a Jordan logo. Obviously, it does say thank you for your purchase right there. Take the box out real quick. Throw this on the floor. I believe this pair of sneakers came from Foot Locker. It does say Air Jordan 3 Retro on the front. If you've seen this box before, you already know what it is. Jordan 3, and then it says the colorway on the bottom right there, size 10.5. Pop this open, and in here you got this cement print with the beautiful cool gray Jordan 3s. I am gonna do a dedicated video on this. I know it's late or whatever, but I'm gonna do like a how to lace slash how to style video for these right here. Let me take them out the box real quick. There's honestly no smell like a new Jordan smell. This smells spectacular. Low-key, the grays right here are doing it for me, but you do have that Air Jordan logo on the back. Nice cement print going all throughout it. These did originally release in 2007, so when they brought these back, you know I had to have them. I missed on the cool gray 4s, but I definitely wasn't gonna miss on these right here. Suede on these is pretty clean. The quality looks pretty good. There is some glue stains, some stroke marks on here as well, but it's okay, you feel me? Sneakers are meant to be worn, so I'm not even tripping. I just hope that there's no crazy like issues with my pair, and it looks pretty good in my opinion, so I'm actually excited about this pair. Like I was saying before, I'm gonna do a how to lace and a how to style video for these. I feel like this is an iconic sneaker. It's going for a low price right now, and just like the cool gray 4s, this is a sneaker that's gonna go up in the future, especially with that silhouette that these have. I feel like it's gonna do the same thing that the Jordan 4s did. These just need a solid collaboration, and it's through the roof for these. Like if Off-White does a 3, it's over. Like Travis Scott did a 4, Virgil did a 4. I'm telling you, if one of them does a Jordan 3, these are gonna be the new like, oh my goodness, sneaker. Just like the 4 is. I'm already on these. I love this sneaker right here, and I definitely can't wait to pair it with some outfits for you guys. Stay tuned for that. Click the post notification bell. But we do have 3 more packages to get into. They went straight up out the building, low keys. All right, so we do have this package right here, which you can kind of see that I did open these. Bro, I bought these sneakers like months ago. I don't even know how long ago, like literally maybe end of 2020 type shit, and I never showed them off. It was the end of the Supreme season. I'm like, bro, I might as well just hold these shits. It's not just any sneaker. Right here we got the Nike swoosh on the top of the box. You already know what time it is. That Off-White shoe box branding right there. Ooh, don't look too much. Right here we got the Off-White Blazers fire sneaker, bro. I always wanted these in the collection and I never pulled the trigger, so this time I had to go ahead and do it. These aren't even that laced. From what I remember, they are worn, but just not that much. They still have tread on it and everything like that. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the other shoe as well. These actually came with both laces. I actually did lace up one side. Honestly, in person, I don't know how I feel about them. I love them, but I just feel like they're mad fragile. They come with a little hang tag as well, so now I do have 3 colors of the hang tags. I have the blue one, the red one on the Prestos, and I do have the black one on the 5s. I feel like this is a clean pair of sneakers. I'm excited to pull these off with the fit as well. I kind of held these off from you guys for a little minute, but I did have them for a while. This is a sneaker that I was debating on getting. It was either these or the Fear of God ones, and low-key I'm glad I picked these up, but I still want the Fear of God ones. I'm gonna need those in the collection. Fire sneaker nonetheless. Really excited that I was able to pick these up. This is honestly my favorite blazer. I do like the original colorway. Let's not get it twisted, but out of all 3 colorways, this is the most wearable one in my opinion. Hey, I can't wait to wear this one because I feel like it's a fire sneaker. I did also get these from GOAT. Fire sneaker nonetheless. Next up, we got this package, which you can see I did kind of rip it because I wanted to see where this was from. It's from the homies over at Aesthetic Studios. It looks like we have 2 pieces in here. I'm gonna go ahead and pull them out. The first one is this t-shirt, which looks insane, bro. The quality on this is crazy. I honestly wish you guys were able to feel it, but you do have like this little card, then like a little capsule with like some cinnamon inside of it. On the back of it, you have this Aesthetic Studios branding, which is really clean, and on the front you have like this artwork type situation. It says COL.001.5. This is fire. I'm excited to actually wear this piece. This is almost like in a plumish color. I really do love the fade on this piece as well. It's really subtle, but you could kind of tell that it's been like washed and dyed. You know what I'm talking about if you know fashion. This is fire nonetheless. I am gonna link them in the description if you guys are interested in checking out any of these 2 pieces, which this hoodie is fire too. Ooh, this is hard. Look at the back of this one. It says undo under it, and then it has like this lady figure. Then the front is so hard. It just says Aesthetic Studios, but if you guys see the fade on this piece, it's actually pretty sick. It's like a faded dyed color. I honestly don't know how to explain it, but the color on this piece is everything right now, bro. It does have the attention to detail when it comes to the tag and everything like that. Once again, it has like little tree barks inside this little capsule. This is the Undo collection. Even the drawstrings are just thick, and you can tell that they take their time with everything. Major shout out to Aesthetic Studios. I will leave them linked, and if I do have a code, I'll also put it up there for you guys. Low-key, I feel like they're an up-and-coming brand that you guys should definitely go ahead and check out. Now we're gonna talk about the last pickup that I have for this video. Low-key, it should have been 2 pickups, but Supreme low-key kind of hold me. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my week 2 pickup. First, I do have another bubble. We do have 2 regular Supreme stickers, nothing special there. And then we also do have this over-dyed beanie, which I am a fan of, you feel me? I'm excited to have this in the collection and everything. But over here we do have the over-dyed beanie in the black colorway. This is black now. It's probably gonna turn like gray the more I wear it type shit. Beautiful beanie nonetheless. And if you know me, you know I always keep a hat on deck. That's just the way that I maneuver, but that is my pickup for week 2. There's nothing too special about it. Over-dyed beanie, if you know, you know. I have this in a blue color, a cream color, and now this black one, which is like a everyday wear type of vibe. Definitely a clean piece. I actually did cook up a pair of dunks in the black colorway. Shout out to Secret Sauce for that, but on the Supreme website, it put my wrong address, so literally it got sent back to Supreme. I had to send them an email asking them to change it. They tried to change it through UPS and it got returned to Supreme actually, so it's there now. And I actually emailed them and the dude is trying to see what he could do for me. Shout out to Supreme for actually trying to give a fuck, if that makes sense, because normally they just really don't care. Like, they'll just take the item, send it back, whatever the case is, you're done for. I was trying to be polite. I'm like, bro, I really wanted these sneakers. Like, I hit them with the smoothness, you know what I mean? I'm like, bro, I really wanted these. Like, this is like the first major success that I have on Supreme. I've been trying to buy for like 2 years. I'm a loyal customer and something like this never happened. So the fact that it happened with these, I'm just really sad. I put like a little sad face and shit trying to soften them up. And that's when he tried to tell me that he's gonna try to help me. He or she, you know, I don't know, but they're gonna try to help me. And I'm actually excited about the fact that they're trying, you know what I mean? Because normally Supreme just blatantly doesn't give a fuck. Like, they don't even respond to people. And right now I'm in the process of trying to get my dunks. Pray for me in the comments. Just give me some good luck because I definitely do need it. But I guess that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, man, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. Once we reach 20K, a big ass giveaway is coming. Before we get out this video, I do want to give a major thank you to the sponsor of this one, Anna Luisa. Once again, they do have these fire pieces that you guys can go ahead and check out. They got different types of bracelets you can wear for yourself, or you can go ahead and get this as a gift for your ladies in your life. What else can I say besides I do have a promo code for you guys, AstroNori10, which will be linked at the top of the description. If you're interested in any of these pieces, go ahead and check them out before they sell out. These items are in high demand and they do often sell out, so make sure you go ahead and check them out down below. But with all that being said, let's get straight up out this video. We out of here. Look at the bangers, bro. Shout out to y'all for always showing love. I'ma catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.